Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make some French fries, but it's going to be different from the regular French fries that you know. It's going to be old school and it's going to be fattiest, most authentic French fries that you'll ever see, because I'm going to use pork fat, rendered pork fat infused with duck to fry these bad boys in. First I will cut my French fries a batonette cut. A batonette cut is basically a baton, and I'm trying to make the cuts even as much as possible. Potatoes into a cool water just to get rid of the excess starch, which will make it sticky afterwards. So I put all of them into cool water bath. So it's getting to 160 degrees for the first fry, and the little burnt substances inside is not a contamination. It's actually small burnt bits from the duck confit that I made before with this fat. I skimmed a lot of it, but still a little bit of taste just going around.